Hello guys, welcome to the next video of this playlist Python for beginners. Currently in this playlist we are exploring OpenCV basics, and up till now we have successfully completed basic image processing operation like flipping the image, rotating the image, and in last video we have successfully completed face detection on an image. Now in this video I will be teaching you how we can perform live face detection using webcam or mobile camera. So without wasting any time, let's start this video by moving towards the destination folder. And three files are present as usually, which is Python file description and this XML file that we are already using last video. I have just pasted the file in this folder also. Now let's open this folder in VS Code. So the code is in front of you. So let's understand the code. First is importing OpenCV, loading the Haarcascade file. The code is same of last video. Then this is the new line, which is cv2.video capture. So this video capture will simply take the access of our webcam and simply show the contents of our webcam. So 0 means it is initial webcam. So if you have multiple webcams, you can simply play with the number. So 0 means the first webcam, 1 means another webcam, 2 means the third webcam. So you can adjust your webcam if your system has multiple webcams. But if your system only has one webcam, you can simply make it 0. Then after that, infinite loop. So it can detect the face continuously. So this live detect, which is the variable .read, this will return us two things, which is image frame and the RET. RET is not required in this face detection program, so just avoid it. Now next line is we will simply convert the frame into black and white. The reason to convert the frame is black and white because the OpenCV or the computer processing becomes too easy or too short as compared to making pre-processing in colored image. So making the input image black and white is the first pre-processing step of every OpenCV program. So you must write this line in every OpenCV program to save your memory and speed up the work. So we can convert the image into black and white using the function which is cvt color, passing the original image, and the method which is cvt color.bgr to gray. So this will simply convert your colored image to black and white. After that, the next line is used to detect the faces in that frame. So the detect multiscreen method is used here, as you can see, which is same as last video. We have passed the image here, then these two parameters which were the same that we used in last video. After that, the drawing rectangle part. So for that, I use a for loop which will constantly draw a rectangle here, as you can see. Then all processing is done. Now we want to show the output. So for that, I use IOShow method of cv2, which will show the right output. Then this is the something new, right? So it is quit equal. So if you want to close the program, we can't close by clicking the close option that is available on right hand side of the window. Instead, this time we will close the window by pressing the escape button, which is escape key, which is available at the top left corner of keyboard. So the code to close the window by using escape key is cv2.wait key 100. It's the ASCII value of that key and OFA. So this is a hexadecimal value, as you can see. After that, if quit equal to 27, so means if the number inside the quit becomes 27, which is the ASCII value. So the 100 is not an ASCII value, 27 is the ASCII value of escape button. Then we can simply break the for loop and we will come out of this for loop and live detect.release, which means it will release the all sources it had taken to run the program. So this was all about 25 or 24 lines of program, as you can see, to detect live face using webcam. Now let's see the magic. So for that, I will simply clear the terminal and simply run the program, which is python main.py. And as soon as I will press the enter button, a webcam feed will open in front of you. So hello guys. This is me, and as you can see, even if I move my face here and there, the green box is also moving along with my face. So this was the magic of real-time webcam detection. Now I will simply close this window by clicking escape key. And as you can see, the window is successfully closed. So that's all for today's video. I hope you are enjoying this OpenCV course journey. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.